Feels like I'm standing in a timeless dream of light mists with pale amber rose. Feels like I'm lost in a deep cloud of heavenly scent, touching, discovering you. Those days of warm rains come rushing back to me. Miles of windless summer night air, secret moments shared in the heat of the afternoon. Out of the stillness,
Parang di na kasya.
soft-spoken words
Oo nga parang sumikip na. Hindi na.
said, I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. Say you love
Tingnan niyo mata ng bawat isa.
never stop,
Mata ha, mata.
whatever, near
Huwag ka kung saan nakatingin. Okay, mata. Okay.
Say you love me forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far, and always and everywhere and every. Say you love me forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far, and always and everywhere and every. Say you love me forever, never stop, never, whatever, near and far, and always and everywhere and everything. Say it again. I love you, always, forever, near and far. Say it again. I will be with you, everything. Say it again. I love you, always, forever, near and far. Say it again. Everywhere. I will be with you, everything. Say it
25 years. Ngayon. Siguro, nag-uusap naman kayo, di ba? Pero ngayon, this is a special day. Kasi 25 years ago, yung bonding nyo. For those 25 years, marami kayong pinagdaanan. Ngayon, tignan mo siya. Kausapin mo lang. Anong masasabi mo sa kanya ngayon? Sige, ikaw na magsalita.
Mula nung tayo kinasal 25 years ago, hanggang ngayon, hanggang sa mga susunod, mamahalin at mamahalin pa rin kita. Ikaw lang sa buhay ko.
Dami nang nagbago, ang dami nang naglaho, ang dami nang naiwan, maliban lang sa iyo. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap, ikaw pa rin pinapangarap, ikaw lang ang kailangan, ang tahanan ng puso. Kahit ulit-ulitin na.
Thank you for your unwavering love. After 25 years, I am truly amazed that I'm marrying the same person again. Thank you, Lord. It was actually 28 and a half years now because we became BF, GF for 3.5 years. This means that more than half of my life, I'm living with you rather than without you. Every year of my birthday, I'm not wishing for happiness anymore because I already found happiness in you.
Walang ibang hangarin.
Masaya ako kasi alam ko inaasam-asam mo tong pagkakataon na to, pinagandaan na mabuti, at dasal ko kay Lord maging successful. Abutin mo pa yung 50 years anniversary. Proud na proud ako sa love na love kita, alam mo yan. Hindi maitatago yan. I love you, love.
Thank you, Mama. Love you.
Beses nang napagod, di bumitaw. Ilang beses nang natalo.
You are my true love in life. All the time spent with you, all the moments so wonderful and new.
Lalaban.
You have made our couple journey easy, and I would love to spend another lifetime with you.
Kahit ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit magbago ang
you, Mommy Daddy, for being with us in the last 25 years after the first wedding. Thank you, and I love you both.
iba. Ikaw lang sinta. Oh yeah, yeah.
I'll always be on your side. Remember when I asked you if you wanted to renew and celebrate our 25th anniversary? I wasn't really sure why I asked you. All I thought about was having a good memories with you and our children.
You have filled my life with greater joy. You are not perfect, but your imperfections are just perfect for me. Please always remember that I will always be here for you, no matter what. I love you.
Para sa'yo, kahit ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin.
For the last 25 years, magkasama tayo. Lagi ako nasa tabi mo. And maaasahan mo, after 25 years and more, andito pa rin ako parati sa tabi mo. Mahal na mahal kita.
Kahit ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit magbago ang ikot ng mundo, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko. Wala nang iba.
Alam ko inang beses mo na ginawa ito. Pero ngayon, nagpupunas ka pa ng bibig mo. Sige, magharap kayong dalawa. Hawakan niyo ang kamay ng bawat isa. Tumingin kayo sa mata ng bawat isa na para baga ngayon na kayo nakikita. 1, 2, 3, kiss!
Oh,